How crypto mining works. Cryptocurrency mining is a process that validates and adds new transactions to the blockchain, the decentralized ledger underlying various digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. It is a critical component of the security and maintenance of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, ensuring the integrity and transparency of transactions. Number 5. The basics of mining. At its essence, crypto mining is a process deeply intertwined with the foundational principles of blockchain technology. At the heart of this operation lies the intricate task of solving complex mathematical puzzles, a pivotal component within the proof-of-work (POO) consensus mechanism. This mechanism serves as the backbone of many prominent cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, facilitating the validation of transactions and the creation of new blocks. Miners, the integral actors in this ecosystem, embark on a computational journey fraught with challenges. Their mission? To meticulously unravel these cryptographic puzzles, a feat that demands substantial computational power and energy expenditure. Through relentless competition, miners vie for the coveted position of being the first to successfully solve a puzzle, a milestone that grants them the privilege to append a new block to the blockchain. The rewards for such an achievement are multifaceted. Not only does the triumphant miner contribute to the continuity and security of the blockchain network, but they also reap tangible rewards in the form of freshly minted cryptocurrency. This reward system serves as an incentive mechanism, incentivizing miners to dedicate their resources and efforts to the maintenance of the network. Furthermore, beyond the allure of newly minted coins, miners also stand to gain transaction fees associated with the validated transactions encapsulated within the block they've mined. These transaction fees represent an additional source of income, further augmenting the economic incentives associated with crypto mining. Number 4. Mining hardware. Initially, cryptocurrency mining relied on the central processing unit, CPU, of computers. However, with the escalating complexity of mining algorithms, more sophisticated hardware solutions emerged to meet the demands of the growing market. These hardware advancements have revolutionized the mining landscape, providing miners with increasingly efficient tools to compete in the race for digital currency rewards. One significant evolution was the adoption of graphics processing units, GPUs, for mining. Originally designed for rendering complex graphics in video games, GPUs offered a substantial improvement in mining performance over CPUs. Their ability to execute multiple tasks simultaneously through parallel processing made them exceptionally well-suited for the computational demands of mining algorithms. As a result, GPU mining became widespread, attracting both hobbyist and professional miners seeking higher efficiency and profitability. Another milestone in mining hardware was the introduction of field-programmable gate arrays, FPGAs. FPGAs represent a further optimization over GPUs, offering greater efficiency and flexibility. Unlike GPUs, which are general-purpose processors, FPGAs can be programmed to execute specific tasks, allowing for tailored optimization for mining algorithms. This adaptability made FPGAs particularly attractive for mining certain cryptocurrencies, where performance and energy efficiency are paramount. The pinnacle of mining hardware sophistication is represented by application-specific integrated circuits, ASICs. ASICs are purpose-built devices designed solely for mining cryptocurrencies. Their specialized architecture enables unparalleled efficiency and processing power, surpassing both GPUs and FPGAs in terms of performance. However, this enhanced capability comes at a cost. ASICs are considerably more expensive to develop and purchase than other mining hardware options. Additionally, their specialized nature limits their utility to mining tasks, lacking the versatility of GPUs and FPGAs. Number 3. The mining process. The mining process is a foundational aspect of many cryptocurrencies, serving as the mechanism through which transactions are validated and new currency units are introduced into circulation. Let's delve into each key step involved in this intricate process. Firstly, transaction verification forms the bedrock of mining. When cryptocurrency transactions occur, they are aggregated into blocks by miners. These blocks contain a collection of transactions waiting to be added to the blockchain. Miners meticulously verify the validity of these transactions, ensuring that the sender possesses sufficient funds and that the transactions adhere to the rules established by the network, such as consensus mechanisms and cryptographic standards. Next, miners embark on the task of hash calculation, which is a computationally intensive process. Miners strive to find a nonce, essentially a random number, that, when combined with the block's data, results in a hash value that satisfies the network's predetermined difficulty level. This difficulty level is dynamic and adjusts periodically to maintain a consistent block creation rate. Hashing algorithms like SHA-256 or script are commonly employed for this purpose, producing unique hash values for each block. Once a miner successfully discovers a nonce that yields a valid hash meeting the difficulty requirements, the new block is ready to be added to the blockchain. This marks a pivotal moment in the mining process. The miner broadcasts the newly minted block to the network, where other nodes independently validate its contents and cryptographic integrity. Consensus mechanisms like proof of work or proof of stake ensure agreement among network participants regarding the validity of the block. The culmination of the mining process brings forth the reward for the miners' efforts. In return for their computational work and contribution to the network's security, miners are entitled to receive a reward. This reward typically consists of newly minted cryptocurrency units, which serve to expand the currency's monetary base along with any transaction fees associated with the transactions included in the block. This incentivizes miners to continue participating in the network and dedicating resources to the mining process. Number 2, mining pools. As the difficulty of mining cryptocurrencies continued to rise, individual miners encountered significant challenges in competing effectively against the increasing computational power required to solve blocks. In response, miners began to collaborate by pooling their resources and combining their hashing power. These collaborative efforts gave rise to mining pools, which represent groups of miners working collectively towards a common goal: the discovery and validation of new blocks on the blockchain. Mining pools operate on the principle of shared effort and shared rewards. Instead of individually attempting to solve blocks, miners within a pool contribute their computational resources towards solving blocks collectively. This pooling of resources significantly enhances the chances of successfully solving blocks within a reasonable time frame, particularly for smaller miners who may not have access to sufficient hashing power to compete on their own. The operation of mining pools revolves around a coordinated workflow. When a pool successfully solves a block, a resulting reward is distributed among the participating miners based on their proportional contribution to the pool's overall hashing power. This distribution typically takes into account factors such as the number of shares submitted by each miner or the amount of computational work performed. One of the primary advantages of mining pools is the stability and predictability they offer to participants. Unlike solo mining, where individual miners face the uncertainty of sporadic rewards based on the randomness of block discovery, mining pool participants receive more consistent and reliable income streams. By combining resources and spreading out the rewards among participants, mining pools provide a steady stream of income, helping miners to offset operational costs and maintain profitability over time. Additionally, mining pools foster a sense of community and collaboration within the cryptocurrency mining ecosystem. Participants can exchange knowledge, strategies, and insights, contributing to the collective advancement of mining techniques and practices. Moreover, mining pools often offer additional services and support to their members, such as specialist software, technical assistance, and real-time monitoring tools, further enhancing the overall mining experience for participants. Number 1. Environmental impact. The environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining, particularly for proof-of-work (POO)-based cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, has become a subject of increasing concern and scrutiny. The process of POO mining entails solving complex mathematical puzzles, a task that demands substantial computational power. As a consequence, cryptocurrency mining operations consume vast amounts of electricity, leading to significant carbon emissions and environmental strain. One of the primary criticisms leveled against POO mining is its inherently energy-intensive nature. The competitive nature of POO mining incentivizes miners to continually increase their computational power in pursuit of rewards, driving up electricity consumption. The energy footprint of large-scale mining operations has been likened to that of small countries, raising alarms about its sustainability and environmental impact. In response to these concerns, concerted efforts are underway to develop and implement more energy-efficient mining practices. Innovations such as renewable energy-powered mining operations, energy-efficient hardware designs, and optimized cooling systems aim to mitigate the environmental footprint of cryptocurrency mining. By harnessing renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, or hydroelectric power, mining operations can reduce their reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate their carbon emissions. Furthermore, there is a growing interest in transitioning towards alternative consensus mechanisms that are inherently less energy-intensive than POO. Proof-of-stake (POS) represents one such alternative, where the validation of transactions and the creation of new blocks are carried out based on the ownership or stake of digital assets held by participants. Unlike POO, POS does not require vast amounts of computational power or electricity consumption, as block validators are selected probabilistically based on their stake in the network. The transition to POS has gained traction within the cryptocurrency community as a means to address the energy concerns associated with POO mining. POS-based cryptocurrencies offer advantages such as reduced energy consumption, faster transaction processing times, and increased scalability. Ethereum, one of the largest POO-based cryptocurrencies, has embarked on a transition to POS through its Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, aiming to significantly reduce its energy footprint and enhance network efficiency. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.